Asuntoskeittiö Ajurin rinne.
Yes, today is the 21st of June 2022, and this is amazing. We have, it's one of the best in Leppävaara. It's on Ajurinkatu, 4-mansgatan 3 stycken Ajurin, Leppävaara, Espoo, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimaan, Finland, Finland. Now I had filmed this video before. Let me just turn the lights here. This is another Valmet with Shinar fixtures, built in 1986, 35 years old in the last year, 2021. And sadly, building 1 was badly demoralized, but 2 of them was the original, 2 out of 4, and we filmed this one now. And this Bruce VS7076, it deserves 2 rides. It's going to be inspected in 2024. Or how many rides do you think it deserves?
2, I think.
Yeah, it's got memory.
Inspektiit vaikka vais mennä pääs pohissi.
It's a bit slow, of course. It's going to be made faster and 2 speed.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please, here it is equally amazing. And I'll go to the second floor to check the alarm.
That's